Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can stroke a text in Photoshop. So first open up your Photoshop. Then just simply write a text, and in order to write a text just simply press T on the keyboard or just simply click on the T icon, then write something, for example stroke. Then choose a nice font of your liking. So after writing down the text, just simply double click on the text and that will open up your layer style. And now in the layer style you will find the column called stroke. Just simply click on the plus icon and add one stroke. Now if you look closely, there is small subtle stroke outside the text. So just let me increase the stroke so everyone can see that. So as you can see, the black border is the stroke of this text, which is currently inwards, which means the stroke will be coming inside the text. You can change that by just going in the position, then clicking on outside, and then the stroke will be outside. And you can also do it center, which will make strokes in both inside and outside. So if I increase the stroke now, you will see that it's increasing in the inner and the outer side. So for this tutorial I will keep it in the outside and then adjust the size a little bit and change the color. Then press OK. So as you can see now, the stroke has been applied to our text. And now if you see in your layer tab, you will find that there is two more new things over there. This effect, and in the effect you will find stroke, which you can easily enable and disable from there. And now if you want to add another stroke over this stroke, just simply again just double click on the text, which will again open the layer style. And now what you can do is just simply again click on the plus icon and add a new stroke. Change the color so everyone can see that. So as you can see now, it's currently covering the inner side of the text, but I want this outside, so I will just simply choose in the position outside. Then give this a proper size. Then just simply press OK. And now let me just simply change the color of the text just by clicking on text and going in properties, then changing the color over here. So that's how you can add a stroke in a text in Photoshop. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.